Good morning. We have Michael Janecke from messe Frankfurt here. Good morning, Michael. Michael, could you please talk a few words about the global textile industry?
Not easy to say it in one sentence. Hello, Ganesh, for sure. Talking about machinery,
Yes.
let's start first with that. There is for sure a slowdown. So companies are saying that buying decisions are postponed. They are in contact with potential buyers, but they don't sign the contracts. Nevertheless, the discussions are ongoing, and I have heard already from Germany first positive signals that next year, 2020, maybe mid of the year, that the entrepreneurs are expecting a recovery, a growth again. So there are first indications on that. Talking about the material side, so the textile producers, some are still, depending on the industry they are serving, doing well. They are not overwhelmed, but they keep the business. Others, especially those who are working close to the automotive industry, they for sure have a decrease in sales. That's, but I think this is obvious, all these things. So overall, I would sum it up that the industry in general is in a good shape, but for sure the business is partly down.
On a global business scale, which are the segments within technical textile that are growing?
Well, general automotive is still a big portion. For sure, it's now a little bit going down. Big area is architecture.
Okay.
Because there's a lot of buildings, and the architectural industry is also now looking into other material mixes. For example, textile concrete,
Okay.
where textile replaces steel. So you can build lighter. You have not the problem with rust. It could be of interest just for countries with a high humidity for the future. Protection, including workwear, is a huge area. Packaging and so on. So by chances, if you see the 12 application areas, we have defined ones. You have always areas where, also depending on the countries, markets, there are potential markets and potential market growth. Maybe not today, but tomorrow.
Okay. And what is your view on the current presence of technical textile in India, in this country, and what potential does it hold?
The potential is, I think, is huge. The question is, are people, consumers, and I'm talking about business consumers, already aware of the chances of technical textiles? Another aspect is, does the Indian technical textile industry can provide the quantities and qualities being necessary? We are here with the show since 2007, based on a study undertaken by the Textile Ministry. And since then, India has to make tremendous development into that direction. But I've also learned today that it is slow. There is not speed enough. The question is also, are the developments and the markets connected? Is it more in-house development instead of developing the next generation of material together with your customer? This is the case, for example, in Europe. Nowadays, many development, maybe even most of the developments, are directly connected with the end product or to the end product together with your customer. So you have directly a market access. For sure, some developments, basic materials and so on, are still in-house. So you have the structure in theory with the centers of excellence. The question is, are they really active enough? Are the connection between the textile industry and the customer? So It's the first day of the show we are talking, so maybe after the third day I have a better impression and newer information how the situation is going on.
All right, fair enough. Thank you, Mr. Janecke.
Thank
you
you.
so much.